So obviously this is staged, like I'm clearly not sleeping, but anyway, I wake up at 7:30 on Monday through Friday, and then I end up hitting the snooze button like 4 times, so I end up actually waking up at like 8 o'clock. When I decide I'm done sleeping, I pull up my iPad and end up watching like a YouTube video or a bit of Netflix. It's a bad habit, but it wakes me up in the morning, and I am not one of those types of people that can just hop out of bed and be ready to go. I gotta take my time. When I'm finally ready to get up, mostly because I either have to quote go to class or am hungry enough, I go to the bathroom and put in my contact lenses. I have to do this first because my vision is very bad. For you contact lens wearers, I'm a -6.5 in the right eye and -5.5 in the left eye. I know putting in my contact lenses probably like freaks out everybody who doesn't wear contact lenses, but if you do wear contact lenses, touching your eyeball is no big deal. Then we move on to taking all of my pimple cream off, because that would be awkward going into a Zoom meeting with a bunch of pimpled white stuff all over my face. Then I wash my face using this Soap and Glory face wash. I think it's from Target. Washing your face is good in the morning because it wakes you up. Then always my skincare routine in the morning is just putting on a little bit of this Pixie Toner. I talked more about, wow, my voice is not ready to start speaking. I talked more about this product in my night routine a couple weeks ago. So if you want to hear my full comprehensive review on that, go watch that video. And I also put a little bit of moisturizer on my cheeks in the morning, because right now my cheeks have been so dry, like they're peeling, almost like I got sunburned, but also I don't know how that would have happened because I really have not been outside at all. Once I'm done in the bathroom, I put on my outfit that I conveniently set out the night before. I don't know why I decided to wear a skirt on the day that I filmed this, because it was like 20 degrees out, but whatever. Makeup time. Once again, I use my iPad and watch something while I'm putting on makeup. If you want an in-depth look at my makeup routine, I filmed a video called like my simple everyday makeup routine. This is the same routine. I don't switch it up because effort. So let's get started with the makeup. And obviously I don't need to put on makeup at all, especially if I'm not leaving the house. But for me, it helps me feel like it's a normal day and it puts me into the work mode, I guess. And then I always keep my hair up until I'm done with my makeup because I don't want the hair flying into the mascara. So now we can undo these braids. So braiding your hair the night before into French braids, like loose French braids, I think really works. Gives you like a nice little beachy feel, which is nice because I like my hair sometimes to be super wavy. Okay, but let's go eat, because if I don't eat in the morning, I will probably pass out. So that ain't good. Let's go. Breakfast today, I'm having this everything bagel, which is quite delicious, by the way. Also, I make sure to have a cup of water, and I like some fruit in the morning too, hence the applesauce. Once the bagel is done toasting, I'll either put peanut butter, or today I put this Earth Balance buttery spread on it. And finally, for breakfast, I'll prepare my coffee, black coffee, either hot or cold depending on my mood. Then I can eat. Okay, this lighting's not good, but whatever. So what I do next just kind of depends on the day. So I always just come back upstairs with whatever is left of my coffee. Sometimes I'll just start on productive things right away, whether it's like homework, listening to a lecture, editing a video, or another productivity things. And then other days I'll literally just like watch TV. or like watch YouTube videos for way too long. But today I have class at 10 o'clock and it's about 9 o'clock right now, so I have about an hour, so I'll probably just prepare for the class, get my notes up, read a couple articles that the professor sent, check my email. Also, I changed into sweatpants because wearing shorts when it's like 30 degrees out, even though I'm not leaving the house, was not a good move. So we're wearing sweatpants now. So let's be productive. This is a video of me pretending to do work just for the video. So now it is class time. This is the end of my morning routine because when I'm done with class, it's gonna be noon. And when it's 12 o'clock, then that means it's the afternoon then. So then that would turn into an afternoon routine and not be a morning routine anymore. So morning routine, over. Yeah, but thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this weird, chill spring morning routine in quarantine. Haha, that rhymes. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below something funny, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.